Now here is time for you. DARPHIN offers a special moment between you and your skin as you use the essential oils elixir. Each essential oils act on your mood. I have here pre-selected 3 different kinds. I let you choose your favorite fragrance. The 3 products that I have selected suit to your skin concern.
Okay.
So at night the skin regenerates, so it's the perfect time to use the aromatic cares. They boost with the essential oils the natural process of the skin.
I prefer the rose one.
So take 5 drops, like that. And the first contact with the product will be 3 inhalations, cupping your hands behind the nose and breathing 3 times. Then stimulate, open gates with 3 pumpings here.
Okay.
We drain away, going by the middle and then flattens through the side. Perfect. You do that 3 times.
It feels great. I can't wait for tonight.